Your PC or laptop is probably slow or less secure and overheating. And it's not because it's old, it's because of a few settings most people never touch. Today I'll show you hidden but extremely important settings that can instantly improve performance, battery life, and stability. If you use a PC or laptop for gaming, work, or YouTube, this video is a must. No software, no hacks, just settings already inside your system. Let's start with the most important one, power and performance mode. By default, most laptops and PCs are not set to maximum performance. So let's adjust the settings. First open Settings, next go to System. Here click on Power and Battery. Change power mode to best performance. This alone can increase FPS in games, reduce lag, and stop random stutters, especially on laptops. Pro tip, if you're on battery, switch back to balance to save power. Startup apps. Your PC starts slow because apps are launching without permission. So let's fix this. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button on your keyboard. Here go to Startup Apps. Disable anything you don't need, like launchers, updaters, chat apps. This makes boot time faster and frees RAM instantly. Graphics settings. Windows sometimes uses the wrong graphics card. To fix this, first open Settings, next go to System. Here click on Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Select your game or app and set it to high performance. This is critical for gaming laptops with integrated plus dedicated GPUs. Background apps. Apps running in the background eat RAM and battery. To turn it off, open Settings, click on Apps. Next click on Installed Apps. Here, select Unnecessary Apps. Set background app permissions to Never. This improves battery life and reduces overheating. Windows security setting. Your PC could be vulnerable right now. To make it secure, click on Windows Security in Setting. Here click on Device Security. Here make sure turn on Core Isolation or Memory Integrity. This protects you from modern malware and attacks, especially if you download files or mods. Storage Sense. Your PC stores junk files without telling you. To remove it, click on System in Setting. Next click on Storage. Here turn on Storage Sense. This clears temporary files automatically and prevents slowdowns over time. These settings are already on your PC, but nobody talks about them. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC and laptop tips. Comment PC if you want a part 2 with advanced settings.